Dear students, welcome back again to the previous topic, that is mathematical induction. So good morning to all of you firstly. Now let's start the topic, but there is a little bit change as we had discussed in the earlier method. Again here we are using the induction, but how to apply the induction in such type of cases? The question is that the series is 2 की power 3n minus 1 and you have to check whether this series is divisible by 7 or not. We have to prove it by the mathematical induction. Again there are three cases. The first case is, that is the step number 1, you all know. What's the step number 1? Put n is equal to 1. Now you will check, after putting the value of n is equal to 1, we get a number here. That number comes in the table of 7. Whether the number comes out to be 7, 14, 21, 28, whether, but that number must be divisible by 7. What's the result here? 2 की power 3 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, 7. And you all know 7 is divisible by 7, therefore resulting true for the first case. Now let's consider the second case. There is no change. The second step is same as that of the question we had already done in the last lecture. What's the second step? Put n is equal to k. The question is 2 की power 3k minus 1, but here we want to find here the number is divisible by 7. Number is divisible by 7 means this number comes out to be the multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 means 7 1 is 7. Multiple of 7 multiply 2. 7 multiply 3. We don't know about the multiple, therefore I am using here the multiple lambda. Lambda is any constant, whether lambda is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. There is no change in the second step, but in third step, as we had done in the previous, we want to use the second step in the third step. Now how you are using the second step in the third? What is the third step here? Put n is equal to k plus 1. That is 2 raised to power k plus 1 minus 1. 2 raised to power 3 plus 3 minus 1. And substitute the value from here. Here I am calculating the value of 2 की power 3k is equal to 7 lambda plus 1. Now convert this step in the form of this step. You know how to break the power. 2 की power 3k, 2 की power 3 minus 1. Now what's the next step? 2 की power 3k multiply 8 minus 1. And here we know the value from the second step. What's the value? 8 into 7 lambda plus 1 minus 8. Now 8 multiplies 7 lambda plus 8 minus 8. Here 8 multiplies 7 lambda, that is 7 into 8 lambda. We get here lambda is the multiple of 7, means third step is also divisible by 7. This is true. What we want here, I am explaining you in Hindi. अगर हमारे पास कोई भी लैम्डा वाला नंबर आ जाए, अगर लैम्डा वाले नंबर के साथ जिस नंबर को डिविजिबल बोला गया है वो नंबर आता हो तो हमेशा वो क्वेश्चन को वेरीफाई करवाएगा। अगर यहाँ पे लैम्डा होता 7 की जगह पे 5 आता, 4 आता, 3 आता, 1 आता है, 7 की जगह 40 नहीं, 14 is the multiple of 7. That we can write the 14, that is 2 multiply 7 means यहाँ पे 7 तो आ ही जाता है। पर मल्टीपल ऑफ 7 के अलावा अगर कोई और नंबर आएगा उस केस में मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन जो है वो आपकी फेल हो जाएगी। लेकिन अगर हमारा लैम्डा के साथ 7 का मल्टीपल आता हो तो हम उस 7 7 के मल्टीपल को ब्रेक करके 7 को कॉमन करेंगे और जैसे ही 7 नंबर कॉमन आता है इट मीन्स 7 इज द फैक्टर, 7 is divisible or 7 is multiple. All are the same cases and you will prove the result by this method. I am doing one more question, that is 4 की power n, let's wait, 4 की power n minus 3n minus 1 is divisible by 9. Here again I am using the 3 steps. The first step is put n is equal to 1. 4 minus 3 minus 1, 0 is divisible by 9. Now step 2, put n is equal to k, that is 4 power k minus 3k minus 1, that is equal to 9 lambda. Because in the question there is no change in the second step, so in the question he said the equation is divisible by 9, therefore I am writing here the expression in the form of k, and suppose that equation is the divisible of 9, that is the multiple of 9, lambda is any constant. Now next is step number 3. Here put again n is equal to k plus 1. How will you prove that? In place of n, I am using here the value 4 power k plus 1, 3 multiplied k plus 1 minus 1. Now open the bracket. 4 की power k multiply 4, 3k minus 3 minus 1. 4 multiply 4 raised to power k, 3k minus 4. Now use the second step. Here the question is 4 की power k. Find the value of 4 की power k, that is 9 lambda plus 3k plus 1, and fill this value here. 4 into 9 lambda plus 3k plus 1 minus 3k minus 4. 4 multiply 9, 36 lambda, 12k plus 4 minus 3k minus 4. Next 36 lambda plus 9k here. Lambda is also the multiple of 9, so I am able to taking the common 4 lambda plus k. If 9 is common, the result is true that the number is divisible by 9, that is asked in the question. This is the last step of the mathematical induction, how to solve the polynomial or given expression by using the induction. For induction, we had discussed earlier there are only 3 steps. Again today I am discuss here there are only 3 steps for proving that whether the induction is valid or not. Taking one more example, that is question number 18. The example is, let's take n power 2 minus n plus 41 is prime. You will prove that when we fill any number by using the induction, the number comes out to be a prime number. Now, how will you prove that? Again, step 1, put n is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 plus 41, 41 result true because it is not divisible, but we have to show the result is a prime number. Now, for second step, put n is equal to k. K power 2 minus k plus 41 is equal to multiple of any prime number. Now, what's the third step? Put n is equal to k plus 1. K plus 1 whole square, k plus 1 plus 41. K square plus 1, 2k I am opening the whole square here. K square plus K plus 41. Now let's check whether the number is prime or not. You want to common here the prime number. Now fill the value of K square from here. K square is equal to prime number. There is no need to write the lambda. Prime number plus K minus 41. Why I am not using a lambda? Because lambda is all using in that case if in the question he said about the divisible, multiple or factor. But in this case he want here only prove the prime number, so I am taking here only prime number. Now K square is equal to P plus K minus 41. Put the value. P plus K minus 41 plus K plus 41. Now this will cancel out. Prime number plus 2K. Therefore, if question is in the form of the prime number, then this result is equal to prime. That is again true. Now this is the method to solve whether the equation is prime or not. If you are using here lambda, there is no problem. I am again using here lambda. You want the result in the form of the prime with lambda number. I told you that if with lambda number there is a given condition with the lambda not taking the common that number. Lambda is any constant 2K upon prime number. Prime multiply any number that is equal to prime, the result is true because there is a prime number. So result always comes out to be the prime number. This is the method to solve the mathematical induction. Now you have to done rest of the questions by yourself, but listen the video first carefully and give me response earlier as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day.